Welcome to this week's episode of Couillon Adventures. This week, we follow in the steps of Lewis and Clark by exploring the replica of Fort Clatsop. First stop was for O to work on becoming a junior park ranger, and while we worked on this, Hen and Ho got to check out the museum.
What is that, Hen? Where are we headed to, O? You see Sacagawea? And her baby?
Yeah.
That's her baby.
That's how they carried their babies.
Fort Clatsop was the winter encampment for Lewis and Clark's expedition crew from December 1805 to March 1806. 32 men, 1 woman, a baby, and a dog lived here over that 4 months. According to Patrick Gass, they killed 131 elk that winter.
I don't end, Mom.
Good. It's really spooky. Look at that bed.
Yeah, I can't show me.
Let's go this way. Let's see.
Great.
That's a pretty nice house. Oh my god. You scared of?
Here.
I wonder if this nice little fire area.
My favorite house.
Maybe not. I don't know. What is this area used for?
I don't know.
I go out. What's my out? Look at it.
Is that where they...
Sort their food, I guess, maybe?
Maybe.
Or I said animals, but that's probably wrong.
I think it was right.
Oh, really?
I think that's the potty.
The car would drive.
Could be.
This is actually where men would take turns standing guard, so the Clatsop Indians did not steal their items or food. I was wondering what that thing is in there.
What thing?
Oh, that big tree right here.
That's a big daddy.
Let me see you hug that trio. Can you hug it? That's all you can hug on that tree? Man,
Oh, it's so big.
it's so big.
Yeah, big tree. It's Mama. It's Mama.
That one's like mama? Little?
No, it's me now. Look, here we're.
That's littler?
That's Henry.
That's Henry?
Ooh, yeah, over here.
That little tree's Henry, and then next to it is Oliver.
The Clatsop people's homelands are south of the Columbia River, not far from the Pacific Ocean. They spoke a Chinookan language and traded often with other people in villages up and down the river. Like other people living on the lower Columbia River, they were expert canoe makers.
A bald eagle right there.
Really?
Yeah, look in the tree.
Whoa.
Going over there. It's up there. Look, right in front. Is it a bald eagle? No, it wasn't.
No.
Just a big bird.
That's just a big bird.
Oh, it had a funny tail.
Crocodiles? No, they don't have crocodiles here.
No crocodiles here, bud. Oh, looks like a duck. Oh, you better be careful. You trying to slip on purpose?
Hope and Hen got to check out where they would cook all their meals before the boys got sworn in as junior rangers. O was pretty goofy through this process.
One for him. Look at this guy.
Right hand,
Right hand, okay. Say what I say. I, Oliver, and Henry promise to. Well, we're not getting sworn in too well, are we?
You gotta say it, oh.
You gotta say it, O.
Say it.
I, Oliver.
I, Oliver. Perfect.
And Henry.
Crazy Oliver.
Crazy Oliver.
I believe you. Preserve and protect our parks. What do you say? Preserve and protect our parks?
Preserve and
Say what I
protect.
say. Yeah, okay.
Say it, oh.
Say it, O.
Crazy part.
Okay. Care for my natural.
Care for my natural.
Perfect. And historical.
Crazy.
And historical, O.
Crazy purple.
No, not crazy purple. Surroundings.
Surrounding.
Crazy house.
You're goofy. But your brother said he more serious than this. Share what I've learned.
Share what I've learned.
Yeah.
Crazy learning.
Okay, kinda. I'm a little crazy. I agree. About the parks.
About the park.
With,
Crazy
with the others.
With the others.
And then
Crazy.
continue. You're crazy.
Crazy.
Are you crazy or am I crazy? Continue to explore
Continue to explore
these treasures.
these treasures.
Okay, this is the most important one for me. I promise,
I found it.
when I turn 25,
Verify.
when he turns 25,
When I turn 25?
when I turn 25,
Oh.
come on, say it right. When I turn,
When I turn 25.
I'm listening.
Oh, say it.
I'll bring mom and dad back to the national parks.
I
got one.
would turn kid.
Okay, give me a high five. You're a ranger.
Woo!
Yeah, Super Ranger. Give me a all right, Super Rangers.
Hope you enjoyed this week's episode. Next week, we go to the foggiest place in the U.S., Cape Disappointment. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss it.